That click is the sound of a Vanco secure fit cable designed to protect the investment of your customer's large screen monitor. Hi, I'm Don Gausch with LRG Central Region. Vanco's got a secure fit cable that has 7 pounds of pulling power. That's about 45% more than your typical HDMI cable. For those monitors and those other high use applications where the HDMI ports can see a lot of wear and tear, you want to protect that investment because that HDMI port on the monitor is connected directly to the motherboard inside the TV. So protect that investment with an adapter available in 6-inch and 12-inch lengths, or with the cable itself available in 1.5, 3, 6, and 10-foot lengths. Available from Vanco through your favorite distributor. Ask your distributor or anyone from LRG for pricing and more information. And remember, all Vanco cables come with a lifetime warranty. Thanks.